Magnitude 6.8 earthquake, depth 5 kilometers, strikes off east coast of Honshu, Japan on the 9th of November, 2025. Earthquake subject to change. The powerful earthquake has been followed up with magnitudes 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.9, 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 5.4, 5.5, 5.7, 5.9, 6.4. Honshu is Japan's main island and home to most of the country's major cities and cultural sites. On the east coast is the Japanese capital, Tokyo, a busy global hub for finance, industry, fashion, and cuisine. Mount Fuji, an iconic, snow-capped volcano, lies southwest of the city. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.